Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're returning. So, have you all caught my other video, my rice water video? If not, make sure you check that out because I attempted to use rice water. Well, I did use it for the very first time. I actually did a rinse. So I washed my hair, then I used the rice water afterward, and then after that, deep condition and blah, 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 blah. So check out that video to find out how that went. So this is, let's see, 10 days later. And I don't wash my hair. If you caught any of my other hair videos, you know I do not wash my hair that often because I don't put a lot of product in my hair. So and my hair retains moisture pretty well. So I usually wash my hair like every 3 weeks or so, 3-4 weeks. You know, sometimes give or take. Now with me using the rice water, I'm definitely gonna have to wash my hair. Like I actually have to wash my hair now, and it's because my scalp is itchy. I think that's because I use Aunt Jackie's Curl La La to do a flexi rod set, and yeah, that's like putting more product on my scalp than I'm used to. So yeah, I need to wash my hair, and I'm also going out of town, so I'm gonna have to put my hair in a protective style, which I did not plan on doing, but yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and wash it. Now let's get into this rice water stuff. Okay, I will say the rice water, my hair still feels super strong. I love that. I'm gonna see how, 10 days later, how it really worked as far as my shedding goes and my breakage and the strength of my strands when I'm like going in with my comb, because I am a comber. This is it, this is my ride or die right here. So, yeah, we're gonna find out if it made a difference. And right now my hair has just been up. I haven't done anything to it. It looks crazy. It looks so dry, but it's actually super soft, which I was surprised about. So I know that's got to be the rice water, maybe that and the Aunt Jackie's, I don't know, but it just feels, I haven't combed my hair this whole 10 days because I've been working and just busy doing other stuff. So yeah, I will say, okay, things that I like. I like the fact that my hair felt super strong with the rice water. What I don't like is that now I feel like I have to go in and wash my hair, which, and y'all look, I actually saw my first gray. Oh, I can't find it, but there it is. I was like, oh my God, I've got a gray hair. I never have gray hair. So yeah, that's my first one. Isn't it crazy? And got nerve to be in the front. Okay, but anyway, so I don't know, I guess that means I'm getting old, y'all. So the rice water has, oh man, and then I have it hanging out. Don't do your hair with damaged nails because it will rip, it'll pull. And that's what's happening. My hair is so itchy. So the rice water made my hair stronger. It's requiring me to moisturize it sooner than, I would like to. So I don't really like that aspect of it, but it's all good. It actually, it's not dry to the touch. It still feels strong. I don't know how to even describe that. It just has a strong feeling. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. I'm gonna get into this. I figured what I'm gonna do is I'll be using the rice water maybe 3 or 4 times a year. So like, I'll use it again probably around May. So right now my hair is a little tangled because it's just been in these twists and up in a ponytail because I've been working and I keep my hair wrapped. It's covered anyway, but yeah, so it's a little rusty. I just need to detangle it and then I'll go ahead and wash my hair. I will say the insides, well, the twist part, this still is like really soft. So yeah, I definitely am liking the rice water. I'm definitely liking it, and it's something I will start to incorporate into my regimen. Now, the things I won't be doing with the rice water, I will not be using it on a daily basis because that could lead to protein overload, and we don't need that. I don't know if y'all can see, but my hair is not even dry. Oh my gosh, my scalp itches so bad. That's why I need to wash it, but my hair hasn't even dried out, and I don't refresh. I haven't done anything since my flexi rod set, and it still is kind of like, it feels moisturized. It doesn't feel like straw, so I know I didn't get protein overload from my rice water treatment. It's not dry to the touch, it's just my scalp. I'm gonna attribute my scalp itching to the Aunt Jackie's more so than anything else. Okay, so I probably should put this stuff in a ponytail. Oh, I still have twists in the back. My hair is itching so bad. I usually use Redken Extreme shampoo, and that is a protein-based shampoo. I think it's hydrolyzed protein and some interlock complex thing they've got going on. So I'm not gonna use that since I did the protein treatment because I don't wanna do protein overload. But what I will do is actually, it doesn't even hurt to comb it. Like normally it hurts from my scalp if my hair is dry. So yeah, it feels like it's not dry and it legit is not pulling like it's dry. It's a little tangled, but it's not dry. So that's good. So I'm going to use my Main Choice Tropical Moringa shampoo. And the thing is, I said I wasn't purchasing anything else. You know what, I have something else. But anyway, I said I wasn't purchasing any more products until I got rid of the stuff that I have already. So right now I'm kind of running low on shampoos. My options are pretty limited. I did have something called Miss Jessie's something, I don't know, Miss Jessie's. I bought it, it's in a little pack. Maybe I should try that today. You know, I think I'm just gonna stick, or I could just stick with the Main Choice Tropical Moringa. So yeah, this is dope. So far I have lost, I've got a couple strands on my hand, on like 1 or 2 strands on my arm. This is all I've lost, y'all. That's crazy because I shed like a Malamute. So let's see. I'm actually gonna go through and comb my whole head and then I'll be back. Yeah, I'm gonna comb it and then see what type of shedding I have. So even though my hair is like all over the place and it's you know, I don't know, looks a little wild, it's not tangled. So I'm not gonna spend a lot of time like manipulating it. I'm kind of like low manipulation. That's why I put it in styles and leave it, because my hair tends to do better that way. I have thin strand, sparse to medium density, a 4 type hair. So well, yeah, what I will say is, so I went through my whole head. And so far, as far as shedding goes, I have, hold on, let me get it together for y'all. That's it. I didn't like comb section by section, but I did comb, you know, I didn't put like 12 different sections in a comb. I pretty much did like, ooh, Lord, hold on. I did like 6 big sections and then just combed just enough. See, where you guys can see, it's like, we're pretty good. It's pretty detangled. It's not, I got a couple of snags like right there. It's an area I didn't necessarily comb through, but I didn't need to because I can sort of get my fingers through. So yeah, not that much shedding at all. I normally will, I feel like I lose half of my head when I comb my hair, and it's not hard because I don't really have a lot of hair. As y'all can see, I kind of have, like I said, sparse to medium density. So yeah, this section is not combed. I didn't even waste time combing it. I'm just gonna put the water on it and it'll detangle itself. Yeah, rice water so far, I'm liking it. Rice water for the win. I'm in. All right, y'all. I'm about to get in the shower, and that's that. I need to get this hair done. I got a flight that I have to catch. So y'all comment down below if anyone has tried rice water, if you know any other treatments that I should try. I was suggested blackstrap molasses. I looked into it. That's something I'm going to do. I also have a deep condition treatment that I'm gonna, using all whole foods. I'm gonna do that one in a couple of weeks, probably when I get back from my trip and get settled. Ooh, this head is itchy. I do not put heat in my hair. My hair is natural. I've never big chopped. I have trims here and there, and I've also had breakage and a whole bunch of other stuff going. But yeah, so hair type, four type hair. Thin strands. My hair is very thin, as you can see. I do not have thick strands at all. Super thin hair. My hair appreciates protein more than it does moisture. My hair tends to hold moisture. I don't know if you guys can see how greasy my hands are. And I haven't touched my hair in 10 days and my hands are like super greased up. So my hair doesn't suck it up. It just stays there. Whatever I put in my hair is gonna stay there to the next wash day. If you know anyone like that, you know, I'm always looking for YouTubers that have my type of hair and I never find them. So I hate that. I never see people have my hair. Everyone is always, they've got thick hair, they've got thick strands, they need a lot of moisture, they use these insane amount of moisture products. I will get moisture overload. I actually suffered from moisture overload some years back, and I had a lot of hair loss because of it, and that was before I knew what I was doing. And then I realized my hair doesn't suffer from lack of moisture. My hair suffers from lack of protein. So I am more of a protein girl, and I never find YouTubers that look like me that have hair that has like similar characteristics as mine. So yeah, that would be cool to find a YouTuber that, you know, kind of has the same stuff going on as me, or someone that I could look at and see how they do what they do and get some inspiration. That would be pretty cool. So anyway, I'm done. I'm out of here. I need to go take a shower and pack my bags and get ready for this flight, and also finish up my vlog. Oh, that hurt. All right, y'all, I'm gone. Okay, I had to come back. Do y'all see this? This is all I had for shed hair in the shower. Are you kidding me? Look far away. There has never been a time in my life when this is all the hair that I lost. This is it. Let me try to focus. Do y'all see that? That little bitty clumps up there, those are probably fairy knots that got ripped off. This looks like a fairy knot that got ripped off. Okay, so I just put my hair in twists and I'm gonna let it dry while I do my daughter's hair, but I had to come on here because I had to show y'all something. This is insane. This is all of the hair that I lost. This is my shed hair and breakage in me just washing my hair and combing through my whole head, putting my whole head in twists. This is all I came up with. Y'all, that rice water is insane. It's sick. Look at that. That's it for my whole head. This looks like maybe, normally this would be like, if I put 5 to 8, I'll say 8 sections. This would be from like one of the 8 sections. That's it for my whole head.